Yes, bete. So am I audible now?
Recording in progress.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we were discussing about negative sentences where we just had to add not with the helping verb had. Right? Examples are there in front of you. I've already explained this slide. Now moving further, we'll discuss about interrogative sentences. Again, we do have helping verb in these sentences. So we will just place helping verb had before the subject, third form of verb plus object. Clear? Had he won the match by that time? Had the thief run away before the police came? Now, this point is very important to be kept in mind. Past perfect tense is not used to express single action in the past. एक एक्शन एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए नहीं होता, बट वी शुड हैव टाइम. जब हमने एग्जांपल्स किए हैं उसमें हमें बताया गया है 6 बजे तक टाइम इज गिवन. जब अगर हम इवन इफ वी आर एक्सप्लेनिंग अ सिंगल एक्शन हियर इन दिस स्लाइड वी हैव द टाइम, राइट? We had gone to school last Sunday. This is wrong. We'll express it this way. We went to the zoo on Sunday, right? But if the words already, before or till are given in the sentence, then we can add. Is this clear? If these words already, before or till are given in the sentence, then that sentence can be expressed in past perfect. Is this clear? Our planet had our plane had already taken off. I had not made up my mind till then. Single action है, but इसमें हमारे पास already is given, till is given, so we can express this single action in past perfect. Otherwise, single action जो है वो past perfect में हम explain नहीं करते. Next, moving further, we have past perfect continuous tense. This is past perfect continuous tense. So in which condition do we use this tense? Is it is used to express an action which began before a definite moment in the past. एक definite moment से पहले वो action start हुआ, had continued up to that moment, या तो वो उस moment तक भी चल रहा था and was still in progress at that moment or had already recently finished. एक action past में शुरू हुआ, वो उस moment तक चल रहा था, अभी भी प्रोग्रेस में था उस मोमेंट तक, या फिर रिसेंटली फिनिश हुआ. राइट? व्हेन आई रीच्ड देयर एट 2 p.m. he had been waiting for me since 1:30 p.m. कब से स्टार्ट हुआ? 1:30 से. ठीक है? और जब वो वहां पे गया तो तब तक भी वो वेट कर रही थी, 2 o'clock तक भी वो मोमेंट चल रहा था, वेट उसकी चल रही थी. Right? So we express in past continuous tense. When I reached there at 2 p.m. एक एक्शन जो था वो 1:30 स्टार्ट हुआ, जब वो 2 बजे वहां पे पहुंचा तब भी वो एक्शन कंटिन्यूएशन में था. राइट? जब मैं 2 बजे वहां पहुंचा, he had been waiting for me since 1:30 p.m. वो 1:30 बजे से मेरी वेट कर रही थी. राइट? Now, what is the rule? Affirmative sentences में subject plus had been, first form of verb, ing object. Negative में had not. She had been sleeping for 2 hours when I reached her house. Right? 2 घंटे से वो सो रही थी when I reached her house. And for negative, we will just add not in it. She had not been working since 2 p.m. 2 बजे से वो काम नहीं कर रही थी. Next, how to make interrogative? Again, very simple. We will just place the helping verb before the subject and rest of the rule remains the same. But in this, what you have to keep in mind is use of since and for. Since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. This you need to keep in mind, right? I hope this is clear to you all. So let us recapitulate what we did today. We discussed past tense. We discussed past tense, simple past or past indefinite, right? Past continuous tense we discussed today, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense we discussed today. I hope this concept is clear to you now. Yes, just wait for a second, Bete.